Welcome everyone. My name is Ujjwal Verma. So this is my assignment 2 for CSED. The topic for the assignment is third eye for blind ultrasonic vibrator gloves. So I'm going to make a simulation for this on Tinkercad. But first of all, let's see how it will look in real life. Okay. So this is something it looks like when we will make it in real. Okay. But now as the situation is not good out here, so I'm going to make a simulation of this on Tinkercad. Let's see. So this is an simulation of that vibration gloves on Tinkercad. Okay, so we have used an RGB LED and vibration motor, piezo buzzer, and uh, ultrasonic sensor over here, along with Arduino Uno board. So let's see how it works. First of all, let's see its code, then we will see its working. There are two variables I declared called duration and distance of integer type. Okay, in void setup, I have void setup I have like made pin number 13, 12, 11 output for red, blue and green pins on RGB LED. Pin 10 is output for vibration motor. Pin 9 is output for piezo buzzer. And after that, there are two pins on ultrasonic sensor called trig and echo, which are assigned to 2 and 3. Pin 2 is for ultrasonic trig and pin 3 is for ultrasonic echo. After that, we created serial begin 9600 to start the console, so to start the serial monitor. Okay, after that our wide loop section is here. So we are sending pulse through trig. Okay, we are sending ultrasonic wave through trig. Okay, so we are writing digital right to high because sending the pulse. After that, we are taking a delay of 10 microseconds, and then there is a echo received. No, then we stopped the trig, sending the like ultrasonic wave through trig. After that, we received some echo, like some high value from the echo pin. Okay, so we calculate for how much time we received that high value through echo pin. We stored that duration in that duration variable via pulse-in function, and then we converted that duration into distance using formula. The formula is we divided duration by 2 because the duration is for like wave coming and wave going to the object and then coming towards us, so we divided it by 2. After that, as the duration is in millisecond, we divided by 29 to convert it in centimeters. Okay, now we are printing that distance on our serial monitor using serial print function, and we are printing distance in centimeter over here. Now our main thing is there, like if the distance is greater than 320, then our uh, RGB light will show a blue value, like 11 is high and 11 is for green. Okay, so if the distance is like greater than 320 centimeters, uh, uh, it is safe and LED will show a green light, and vibration motor will not run, neither piezo buzzer. Okay, so that's why 10 pin number 10 and 9 are low, and we will print safe because no object is in range. After that, if it is not there, like distance is not greater than 320, we will not so safe. Okay, so the value of RGB LED will, like the green LED value will be low, and then we will check what is the distance, and then we will print accordingly, is it like safe or unsafe. So if the distance is between 320 centimeters and 150 centimeters, then we will like give a high value to pin number 12, 10 and 9. So pin number 12 is blue, like in RGB LED it is blue, and pin number 10 is for vibration motor, and pin number 9 is for piezo buzzer. So our piezo buzzer, vibration motor, and blue LED will start. Okay, and on the serial monitor it will be printed mid range after delay of 2000, like 2 seconds, and we will make them low. uh, if it is not the case, so last case will be if the distance is less than 150 centimeters. So if the distance is less than 150 centimeters, we will make the red light glow, and vibration motor and piezo buzzer will be started, and on the serial monitor it will be printed unsafe. Okay, we will take a delay of 50 milliseconds, and then we will like make them low digital, right? Pin number 10 and pin number 9 low. Okay, that's the whole code. Else if neither of these are cases, then we will make pin number 13 low. Like if it is not in the range, like greater range, not in the mid range, and not in the unsafe range, then we will make the LED, like we will stop the LED. Okay, let's see how it works. So you can see that, okay, this is in the starting rate. So you can see that uh, now the, yeah, so the distance is greater than 320 centimeters. So green LED is glowing, and vibration motor and piezo buzzer are stopped. But as we take this object closer, like 293 centimeter, the LED is changed, and vibration motor is started, and we can also see on console, like serial monitor, it is saying mid range. Okay, like now distance is greater than distance is 331 centimeter, and it is showing safe. But when we take object here, it is started showing like distance is 305 centimeters, and it is started showing mid range, and the blue LED started glowing. Also the vibration motor and piezo buzzer started. But when we take it more closer, like less than 150, okay, so this comes in the unsafe range, and the red LED started glowing. Also the vibration motor and piezo buzzer are started. But when we take here, like, so this is not in range. So what we can do, we can like add more ultrasonic sensors to like get more range. We can do one thing, like add more ultrasonic sensor in that glove to get more range, and that's all. Thank you.